Hi, boys and girls. All right, so today on our numbers, we are going to talk about rulers. This right here is a ruler. We use this to measure things. And these numbers up here, there's two sets of numbers. There's numbers at the top that are more spread out, and then there's numbers down here at the bottom that are closer together. We are going to use the numbers that are farther apart. These are called inches. We measure smaller things in inches. Okay, so this is a ruler and we measure in inches. Okay, if something comes to the 1, then it's 1 inch. If it comes to the 2, it's 2 inches. If it comes to the 8, then it's 8 inches. Okay, so the paper that we are going to do today, you're going to have to forgive me. I already marked on it, but we're going to go over it together. Okay. So you will need this paper with the car and the rulers and the skateboards. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is look at this number. Okay, that is the number 41. Okay, and you're going to write the number that comes before. Before we can say 41, we have to say, remember, it's going to be smaller, so it can't be 42. That comes after. 42 is bigger. So what do we have to say before we can say 41? We have to say 40. Good. The next number is 76. So what do we have to say before we can say 76? 75. Good. Our next number is 30. Okay, 30. What comes in the box before we say 30? 29. Good. What comes in the box? What goes in the box? Okay, there's 65. What do we say before we can say 65? 64. Very good. And our last one, what number is that? That is 11. What number do we say before we can say 11? 10. Very good. All right. Come down here. Say your combinations with me. 2 plus 3 equals, what is 2 plus 3? 5. Very good. Okay. Now, say your combinations with me. Sorry. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, this one. 2 plus 5 equals 7. Very good. All right, 4 plus 2 equals, sorry guys, I know you hear my phone beeping. I forgot to turn the volume off. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And then 4 plus 3 equals 7. Very good. All right, so for today, remember I just told you, or I showed you what the ruler was, and I told you that we are going to measure in inches. This is the ruler that we're going to use for this paper today. Okay, so anything from here to the 1 is only an inch. And we always go back to the beginning, just like if we were reading. You always measure from the front of the ruler, the beginning of the ruler, all the way to the number that you're looking for. Okay, so from the front of the ruler to the 2 is 2 inches. So from here to here is 2. From here all the way to here is 6. All that space. Okay, so we're going to fill in the bubble beside the objects that are more than 1 inch long. Okay, so look at this penny. Oh, and sorry, what I did here was I drew straight lines all the way down from my numbers to help me measure. That way I can see how many spaces. Each space is 1 inch. So if there are 2 spaces, okay, it's 2 inches. Or if it's 3 spaces, it's 3 inches. So let's see. How many spaces is the penny in? Okay, it's only in 1 space. This penny is only an inch. And we're supposed to fill in the bubble next to the objects that are more than 1 inch. So let's look at the pencil. How many spaces is the pencil in? Okay, it's in this space, so that's 1. It's in this space, that's 2. And the tip of the pencil is just over the line, so it's in this space. So is it more than 1 inch? Yes, it's more than 2 inches actually. So we're going to fill in that bubble. And then let's look at our car. How many spaces does this car look like it's in? Okay, this car looks like it's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This car looks like it's in 5 spaces. So this car is at least 5 inches long. So it is definitely more than 1 inch. So we're going to fill in that bubble. All right, now down here on your numbers, I'm going to give you some numbers and you're going to write them in. Ready? On your green skateboard, I want you to write the number 83. 83. On your orange skateboard, I want you to write the number 69. 69. And on your purple skateboard, I want you to write the number 20. Write the number 20. All right, very good job today, guys. And that is all for now. Talk to you later.